Question number 13. Complete the table. Students, do you know what is Roman numeral? As we use Hindu-Arabic numeral to represent the numbers, similarly Roman use different symbols to represent numbers. So Roman numerals are the letters used by the Romans to represent numbers. Class 3rd, you already studied that Romans use 7 symbols, that is I, V, X, L, C, D and M to write any number. So look at the table here. I used by the Roman is equal to number 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, M is equal to 1000. There is no zero in the Roman system, so we don't have any symbol for the zero. There are some rules for writing Roman numbers. For example, if we write smaller number to the right of greater value, then it is always added. Like VI is written as 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Similarly, V is smaller than X because X means 10 and V means 5. So it is written as 10 plus 5, that is 15. Next, rule number 2. If smaller number is written to the left side of a greater value, then it is always subtracted to the greater one. So it is written as 5 minus 1, that is 4. I means 1, V means 5. Similarly, in this X means 10, 5, L means 50. So 10 is smaller number. It is written to the left side. So it is written as 50 minus 10, that is 40. Okay, so back to our question. Here we have to write 16 in Roman numeral. So here 6 is at 1's place and 1 is at 10's place. So 10 plus 6, that is 10 is written as X and 6 is written as V and I. So the answer is XVI. XVI. Next, X and X. We have to write Roman numeral into Hindu-Arabic numeral. So X means 10, 10 plus 10, that is 20. Okay. Again, we have to write this in a Roman number. So 2 is at 10's place and 3 is at 1's place. That 20 plus 3, that is 20 plus 3, 20 is written as X and X, and 3 is written as 3 times I. So here is the answer. Next, 9 is written as 10 minus 1, that is IX. Next, 12, that is 10 plus 2. 10 means X, 2 means twice I. So the answer is this. Next, V means 5. V means 5. I 1 1. 5 6 7. So the answer is 7. हमने यहाँ ऐड क्यों किया? Because smaller number is written to the right of greater one. So the next is X. X means 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30, and 2, that is 32. Next, 39 is written as 30 plus 9. 30 means 3x and 9 is 1x. Next, L means 50. So the answer is 50. So here we have completed with our first revision exercise. I hope you have understood this exercise properly. Up to 4-digit number. Next is 5-digit number. If we add 1 to the largest 4-digit number, then we get a smallest 5-digit number. and the smallest 5-digit number we call it as 10,000. So the largest 5-digit number is 99,999. That means 5 times 9. So let's start with our first exercise. Question number 1. Write the numeral for the given number name. In this, we have to write the numeral for these number name. First is 57,691. So it is written as 57,691. Next, part D, 25,106. So here 25,000, that is 25,106. There is no value at tens, so we put 0 here. So the answer is 25,106. Next, part G, 10,064. So it is written as 10,064. So we put 0 at 100 place. So it is 10,064. Next, question number 2. Write the number name for the given number. Now you have to write number name for these numbers. First, write the place value on the top, so it is easier to write the names. So it is written as 10,349. Next, part C, it is written as 98,207. Now part H, it is 0 at 100 place, so it is written as 30,050. Next, question number 3. Read and write the numbers shown on each of the following abacuses. As we did this question before in revision exercise, so it is same. We have to count the number of beats and write the numbers. So the answer is 32,583. Similarly, you have to do these questions. Now next, question number 4, part A, counting in hundreds. Write the numbers from 41,700 to 42,300. As we did in revision exercise, question number 6, similarly, in this we have to add 100 to get the next number, like this. First, if we add 100, then we get next number, that is 41,800, 41,900, then 42,000, and so on till we get 42,300. Similarly, in part B, counting in thousands. Here we have to add 1,000 to get next number. 11,360. If we add 1,000 to it, then we get next number is 12,360, and so on. We have to add 1,000 till we get 19,360. Similarly, we have to count by 10 in part C and by 100 in part D to get the numbers. Next, question number 5. Complete the following sequences by observing the pattern. Here, just look at the pattern. The numbers are in decreasing order, as we did in question number 7 of revision exercise. Similarly, here number at 10th place is changing, so we have to subtract 10 from the digit to get the next number. Because it is in decreasing order, so we have to subtract the number. Here we have to subtract this number by 10, then the next number will be 62,490. इसमें 10th प्लेस की डिजिट चेंज हो रही थी, इसलिए हमने 10 से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट क्यों किया? बिकॉज इट इज़ इन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. सो हियर इज़ अ आंसर. नेक्स्ट, पार्ट सी. In this we have to add, as it is in increasing order, and we have to add by 100 because the digit at 100 place is changing. So here is the sequence. Just add 100 to get next number. Similarly, in part D we have to add 1000 to get next number because the number at 1000 place is changing and it is in increasing order, so we have to add. Next, part E, we have to subtract 1 because it is in decreasing order and one's place is changing, so we have to subtract 1 to get next number. So here is the sequence. So students, we have completed 2 exercises today and we will continue with our next exercise in next video. Till then, just solve all the questions and do practice. Thank you.